Hey friends, Alfred here. Well, today is the day I'm going to reveal my brand new iPhone 17 Pro. That's right, it's going to replace my current phone, which is the one I'm using to record this, which is my iPhone 13. It's just a standard 13, but it works great for the last several years that I've had it. But now I'm going to upgrade to the 17 Pro, and I do have several other phones here I'm going to bring up in comparison to see how this 17 compares to some of the other items that I have in the past, some of the other phones. But let's go ahead and get started. So as I open this up, the first thing we're going to see is that my brand new phone, I did order the silver. I checked the other colors, but this is the one that really just drew my attention, the one I really like. It's really firm, sturdy, and it feels like it's just a well-built phone compared to some of the other phones I've had in the past. I'm going to walk you through some of my old phones. So what's in the box? You might wonder, well, here's what's in the box. You have this a double-sided USB-C, which is a new type of cable. Now with that, I went ahead and just purchased some of the old regular USBs with a C on the side, a double-sided, just because I have so many accessories that accept the regular USB compared to the USB-C, and I also wanted to use one in my phone for my desk, and then one for the SUV, one for the truck, and just around the house. So I bought several of these. I mean, look at I have five of them. And that's what I purchased there. Now, I did also purchase a brand new case, and I went with this case here. I went with this Toco case. I went with the black, and it's going to go ahead and cover that phone just really nice and snug. It's going to sit right in there. And also got my old Apple USB C ear pods because that's the kind of like with the wired. I'm not too much into the Bluetooth ones. But look at this. I want to show you a comparison to some of the other phones that I've had in the past. This, believe it or not, is a 4S. That's right. I've had a 4S in the past and I still have it. Take a look at this. So here's a size comparison from an old 4S to the new 17 Pro. And now with that, I do have also a 5C. Here's a 5C, just like that. Look at that. Yeah, remember it kind of was in plastic at the time. And then I have an SC. Yeah, this one's a little bit beat up, but here is the first Gen SE right there. And I have another one that's a little bit even more beat up right there. But take a look at that in comparison, right? Here's a size comparison and then the back. Then we move up to the 8. Now this 8 I had for many, many years. I mean, I paid it off and I just kept on using it. But this is the 8 in comparison to the 17 Pro. There's the back side of it. 8 was a good phone. It's trustworthy. Then we moved up to the 10. I did have an iPhone 10 as well. Take a look at that right there, side by side. There's the back side and the back side together. And then there's a side by side comparison. This is the 10, this is the 17. Now the latest greatest that we did have was an iPhone 14. This is a 14 right here. Here's the back side of the 14 compared to the 17. And very similar in size. I mean, really, this is the 17. This is the 14. And then there you go. Pretty close in size, a little bit larger, but this iPhone 17 really feels great. I love it. I haven't switched all my content over yet. I'm going to. So this is the 14. I'm recording on a 13, and then this is my 17 here. And really excited about this. I use my iPhone for everything, as you might as well. It's my social media device. It's my business phone. It's also how I make my content. Right now, like I said, the 13, and from now on, the 13 is going to go by the wayside, and this is going to be my new content creator camera and photos, everything, right? This thing, as you know, the iPhone can do so much. So super excited with that about that. So there you go. There's my unboxing of the new iPhone 17 Pro. I think there's an iPhone 17, 17 Air Pro, and then the Pro Max. I went with the Pro. It was a great upgrade from my 13, and really excited. So there you go. There's the comparisons. Again, just the latest real quick comparison. Here's the 14, and then here is the 17 side by side. How's that? Yeah? All right. Well, thanks for watching. Take care. God bless, and stay strong, stay faithful, and never give up.